Hi. In this video, we'll go over the membrane replacement for an oxygen sensor. To begin, we'll use the equipment that came in this package here. This would have came with your SE715 sensor. We have the membrane replacement cap here. We have the electrolyte solution, and this is the reason I'm wearing gloves. This can be about 13 pH just to avoid any hand irritation. I'll be wearing gloves. We have our sandpaper patch here. We have an O-ring if needed, and I have some DI water to rinse the sensor off. So to begin, I will remove the cap. Put that to the side here. Looks like the O-ring on this sensor is intact, so I will not be replacing the O-ring, but we'll be using the sandpaper patch here just to get any residue off the end of the sensor. Make sure it's completely clean when we're putting the new cap on. Once we have that done, I will then rinse the sensor here with some DI water. Just make sure that we're fully cleaned out. And I'll dab it off to make sure there's no excess water. Next step, I will take the cap, the electrolyte reservoir here, make sure that it is completely full. I want to make sure it's completely full so that there is no other air or water in the sensor cap. So there should be some spillage here. There is. Go ahead and wipe that off, and then I'll rinse it again with the DI water. And we'll dry it. So now we have the cap replaced, but there is one more step that we need to do. So the last step here is to actually tell the sensor that it's had the membrane replaced. So we'll go into the menu here on the Portavo. We'll scroll to the calibration menu. Now with this sensor connected, I'll go to the membrane module replacement. Hit enter. Once here, I'll be prompted with a screen that asks if I have replaced the membrane. I will click yes. Now what this does is actually resets the wear percentage on the sensor cap of the sensor. Now the sensor is not ready to be recalibrated yet. We need to polarize for at least 6 hours after being connected to a power source. Once you have that done, we'll be able to calibrate the sensor accurately. Doing it before that could cause drift or inaccurate calibration. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.